Hey guys, what's up? This is Bill from My Batter Half. In today's video, I'm going to show you a product called Sprayway. This is grill and oven cleaner. I'm telling you what guys, this stuff is amazing. You spray it on and the grease and the grime, baked on foods, carbon, it all just melts right off. It's the real deal guys. I'm going to show you right now. Let's get started. So here we are at my mother-in-law's house, and we've decided to go ahead and use the Sprayway and clean the hood over top of her oven. Now it's not, real dirty. You've got some grease marks here and there. You've got all that salt that's sitting there on top. Hey, but the real issue is underneath. Look at that. Look at all that grease and grime that's just caked on there like that. We're going to put the Sprayway down there, spray it on top and here on the bottom, and see how well it does on that. So we'll get the top sprayed, and then we will spray the bottom. Get that light bulb out of there, of course. Get all that sprayed on there. Let it sit for about 30 minutes. Let's take the filter out. Alright, so as you can see, we have the cleaner applied to the top of the hood. And then we also have it on the bottom as well. You can already see it's just melting all of that grease and grime away. Check that out. Okay, here is the hood filter. We're going to go ahead and clean it now with the Sprayway cleaner. Just get that sprayed all around it. This stuff is very potent. Alright, so we'll let that sit for a little bit. Let's go back to the hood and see what's going on there. Look at that guys, nastiness. Grease and grime just comes right up. Look at that. Holy crap. So here's what it looks like underneath the hood now. Look at that. Look at how clean that came. Here's where we still haven't wiped it yet. See the difference? Look at that. That's amazing. Look at the rag. Nasty, nasty. So here we are checking on this hood filter again. As you can see, the Sprayway is really working on that grease and grime that was on here. It actually looks better already. But we're going to take this and rinse it off and see what it looks like. Grease and grime appears to be coming off. Look at the water, man. The water is just brown.
Aren't this though?
Check it out, guys. There's the hood filter. That came very, very nice clean. Alright guys, here is the finished look right here. We finished cleaning the hood. Here's the top. And go across here. Look at that, nice and clean. Now let's check out the bottom. Remember how nasty the bottom was? Look at that. Look how clean that came. You can't even tell that that was covered in grease and grime before. I mean, it looks brand new. This stuff's amazing, man. I'm telling you, it is amazing. All right, now that we've got it clean, we're gonna go ahead and apply some of this ZEP. It's stainless steel cleaner and polish, and this will make it really shine and look brand new. Look at that, guys. Look at that. That's absolutely incredible. Look at that. It looks brand new. Compare that to what it looked like before. Absolutely incredible. Okay, now it's time to reapply the filter. So there you have it, guys, the Sprayway grill and oven cleaner. This stuff is absolutely amazing. I've never used a cleaner like this before that just took everything off. You spray it on, you leave it on for like 15 to 30 minutes, and it just takes everything off. I've never used that before. And I've used other oven cleaners in the past, and at least the ones that I used didn't really work that well. This stuff here is the real deal. Now, one thing I will caution you on though is when you're spraying this, you don't want to get too close and inhale the fumes, because I promise you, you will cough up a lung. I'd probably put a face covering on before you sprayed this. You can pick this stuff on Amazon for about $14.99. It's well worth it, guys. I'll put a link in the description. And one last thing, guys. There's going to be a part 2 to this video. I'm actually going to take this and clean my grill outside with it, and I'm pretty excited about that. So stay tuned for that video. And at that, guys, this is Bill signing off from my better half. Subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, share it with your friends, give us a thumbs up, click that bell icon. You guys have a great day.